everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into the super cool video, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for the love you have shown to my videos. Your support really motivates me. Because of the fantastic response on my last video, I am back with a new recipe. Today we are gonna make Fireless tortilla wraps. Are you ready? So let's get started. For this recipe, we will need fresh tortilla wraps, chopped onion, chopped capsicum, chopped tomato, fresh coriander, cheese cubes, paneer cubes, and some sausages like tandoori mayo, American mustard sauce, herbal mayo, Szechuan chutney, and this is our tasty canvas, the tortilla. On this canvas, we are gonna put our secret sauces. First, we'll put the tandoori mayo. Now we will put our Szechuan chutney. Now we will spread all our sauces on the tortilla. Now we will put the veggies on the tortilla. Now it's onions turn. Now it's the cheese turn. Now it's the coriander's turn. It's the time to add some more flavor to it by adding the oreganos and chili flakes. La la la. Now it's the time to get it wrapped and baked. I'll bake it in my grill. And now it's just about 2 more minutes and our tortilla will be ready. Our awesome tortilla wrap is ready to eat. I hope you had fun making these recipes. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for many more such adventures. Bye bye.